Hello! In this video, I will show you how to apply for the Golden State Priority Project in the northern and southern regions. This funding round is open now, and applications are due by December 12th, 2023. To apply for the Golden State Priority Project in the northern and southern funding regions, please visit calevip.org and select the Login or Apply button on the top right-hand corner.
On the next screen, you'll be prompted to select Rebate Applicant and Golden State Priority Project from the drop-downs. On the next screen, you'll be able to log in or create a new account. If you have applied for a Golden State Priority Project application in the past, you're able to use your same login information. However, if you've only applied for a Cali VIP 1.0 project in the past, you will not be able to use the same login information, and you will need to create a new account for the Golden State Priority Project application. If you've never applied for any Cali VIP rebate, you will also need to create a new account. If you have a login information, go ahead and insert it here. Otherwise, click Create Account at the bottom. On the next screen, you'll be asked some general information about yourself, your account, and your organization. After you've logged in or created a new account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here you will see any in-progress or completed Golden State Priority Project applications. If you're ready to start your application for the northern and southern regions, go ahead and hit Apply Now on the top. On the next screen, you'll fill out some basic information about the applicant. This may be someone who is applying on behalf of another organization or who's applying on behalf of your own organization as the rebate recipient. Make sure to select that at the top and then fill in basic information about yourself. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to fill out some information about your planned installation. Information such as the site address, the main use of the installation site, if it is a commercial or public use, the name of the EV charging station operator, the total number of parking stalls in the lot, as well as the number of those stalls that are dedicated to EV charging, information about the property owner, and the selection of the power provider or utility service provider. The next screen will continue to ask questions about your proposed installation, such as if your site is on tribal land, if there's a need for EV charging at the proposed site, if the chargers will be publicly accessible, what the applicant organization's relationship is to the site, the type of installation project, who will own the chargers, and what type of chargers will be installed. When you're finished with the installation details section, you'll be taken to the equipment section. It's important to understand what type of equipment you'll be installing before you apply for your Golden State Priority Project rebate. You'll be asked to select a make and model of DCFC chargers from a dropdown. You'll also be asked the number of CCS connectors, the charger or installation type, the charger quantity, and the network provider you will be using for your proposed installation. You also have the option to add additional equipment if you're selecting more than one type at your site. You will then complete some basic information on the rebate recipient. This is the person that will actually be receiving the rebate at the end of the Golden State Priority Project installation. And you will be asked some information about how the rebate recipient would like to receive their rebate at the end of their installation. Next, you'll be taken to the required documents page. Please keep in mind that these documents are required at the time that you submit your Golden State Priority Project application. First, you'll be asked to upload your site verification form, which confirms that the site owner authorizes the applicant to install the EV charging equipment at that site. You can download the site verification form at calevip.org in the document library. There's also a resource guide in that document library to help you complete this form. Next, you will need to upload the permit or utility service application package. This package demonstrates the progress that you have made in planning your installation. The documents uploaded here will be used to sort your application into a tier. Your location in the tier will determine your likelihood to be funded. We also ask that you include a cover sheet outlining what is included in your submission package. Please visit calivip.org in the document library to download this cover sheet and view resource guides to help you achieve the highest tier possible based on the documents available. Finally, you will read and accept the terms and conditions for the Golden State Priority Project. On the final screen, you'll be able to review all information in your application before hitting submit. Please keep in mind that at any time during the application completion or the application window, you can hit save and exit and come back to complete your application later. We highly recommend that you take advantage of the complimentary application assistance before the application window closes